Straight Talk uses email verification for security during account setup, logins, and password resets. If you're not receiving the code, it's usually due to email deliverability issues, not a problem unique to Straight Talk. Common causes include spam filters blocking the email, your email provider blacklisting Straight Talk's domain, or general email server delays. Straight Talk has taken steps to improve this, including automated Resend options and whitelisting agreements with major email providers. However, some users still experience problems, especially with certain ISPs. Understanding that this is a common issue with email-based verification is key to finding a solution. First, if your verification code doesn't arrive, use the Resend button in the Straight Talk app or website. This feature bypasses temporary server issues that might be causing delays. Remember to limit yourself to no more than 5 resends per hour to avoid being temporarily blocked. Next, proactively whitelist Straight Talk's email domains to ensure codes reach your inbox. Manually add trackphone.com and straighttalk.com to your email provider's safe sender or whitelist. This step varies by provider, so follow the specific instructions for your service. For Gmail, create a filter to whitelist senders. Access your Gmail settings, go to Filters, and add trackphone.com or straighttalk.com as a safe sender. This ensures future emails from these domains bypass spam. In Yahoo Mail, add the sender to your contacts. Select an email from Straight Talk, right-click, and choose Add Sender to Contacts to whitelist them. For most providers, access your junk email settings and add the domains to your safe senders list. Use the Add link to include trackphone.com and straighttalk.com. Also, always check your spam or junk email folder. Codes might land there if not whitelisted yet. Look for emails from Straight Talk and mark them as not spam. In Outlook, check the junk email folder and mark legitimate emails as not junk. This helps train the filter to allow future Straight Talk emails. By proactively using the Resend feature and whitelisting Straight Talk's domains, you'll significantly increase your chances of receiving the verification code successfully.